Just tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do want you next to me. Want you next to me, but does this work? 'Cause
Today's Monday, June 21. Pakita natin which one? Okay. Good morning, guys. Today is Saturday. Ano na bang date? What's date today, Kuya? No. 26? Yeah, Saturday, June 26. Ang aga namin kasi, ayan, nakaligo na ako pero hindi pa ako nakapagkilay. Pero nakapag-moisturizer na tayo. Maaga kami kasi may footy yung mga bata. And ako, dadaan ako kila Mel kasi ipagdadrive ako ni Mel. Dalawang sasakyan yung dadalhin namin kasi si Jan at si TJ. After ng footy, diretso sila sa Adelaide kasi alam nyo na, go for Kuya. So, kaya si Mel, ipagdadrive niya ako kasi yung footy hindi dito sa may sa amin. Medyo, hindi ko alam kung saan yun. So, ipagdadrive kami ni Mel and yung mga bata. Ayan. Good morning. Morning. Nakabihis na sila si Holly. Except kay Holly. Okay. Magkilay lang ako, guys. Ako magkilay and nakapaglagay na tayo ng yung favorite ko ngayon na panglagay sa aking mukha. Ito yung nabili ko sa Chona na Water Fresh Tint. Sobrang ganda niya. Nagpump lang akong konti dito. Konti lang. Hindi siya full pump. Konti lang talaga. Tapos diretso ko dito blend. Hindi na sa kamay. Kasi feeling ko pag dito ko siya biniblend, parang wala na ako na-apply sa mukha. Kasi very light coverage lang siya. So dito ko na lang siya in-apply. And alam nyo ba, nung isang araw, mayroon ako ditong pimple. Pero naging okay siya. Yung kahapon, malit lang to. Pagising ko, ayan ang sakit niya na, ang laki. Bihira lang ako magkaroon ng pimple. Pero pag nagkaroon naman, tingnan nyo. Wagas, sobrang laki. Feeling ko namamagay yung aking ilong. Sakit siya, pero okay lang. Normal naman yan, di ba? Okay. Bihisan ko na si Holly. And ang gamit ko sa aking lips and sa aking cheeks ay ito yung air blush na Sunny Space. Favorite ko to. Ano ba yung ano? Ras. Ras yung kanyang shade. Okay. So, bihisan ko na si Holly. Ayan na si Holly. Nabihisan ko na siya. And ito yung aking suot. Yung aking fluffy na jacket. Na talagang pang malamigan siya. Pang malamigan. And ayan si Johnny Boy. Ayan. Oh, see Kuya. Magkahiwala kasi kami ng sasakyan. Si Sak sasabay muna sa daddy niya. And eto yung nabili natin sa Misguided, yung oversized pero ano siya, long sleeve. And leggings from Valley Girl. So yan yung ating outfit. Taliin ko na lang mamaya yung aking buhok. So okay, let's go guys. Okay. Pagas lang kami guys. Where is it? Ay, hon! I opened the other one. Yeah. Nabuksan ko yung sa harapan. Right side, right? Ay, sorry. It's already done. Ah, okay. Nabuksan ko ulit. Yeah.
Hi, Brady Mel.
Okay.
That's for the footy.
Yeah. Pambayad namin to sa footy. Sa amin na itong dalawa ni Auntie Mel. Kasi $10 each.
Can I give it to?
No, I'll do it, Bob. Ayan si Jan. After nito, diretso na tayo kila Auntie Mel. Ayun yung car niya. Nandiyan si Zach and si Kuya TJ. And sa akin ay si Holly Girl. Hi, Babay. Hi. Nakabini siya kasi sobrang lamig. And mayroon siyang jacket. Yung oh, what are you doing? Yung winter coat niya. Dito na kami kila Auntie Mel.
That's only Mel drive.
Yes. Kunin lang natin si Auntie Mel. Si Jan, nakasunod yun. Kaso pumunta sila sa Caltex kasi hanap yun ng coffee niya. Wala ata dun sa may shop malapit sa amin. Dito na si Jan. Ayun na si Johnny Boy. And kausap niya lang si Auntie Mel. Dito na kami sa Kulangado. Yan si Sak. Nagpapalit na siya ng footy shoes. Si Kuya nandun sa kabila. Sobrang lamig. Sak! Are you cold? Lagi sinasabi hindi. Kahit malamig. Di ba sabi ni Sak hindi raw malamig? Kinuha niya yung jacket niya. Ayan siya. Hindi niya makita. I think he asked someone, we're gonna move guys. Nakapark kami dito, pero hindi pala dito yung, ano nila, hindi yan yung goal.
So I go over that side.
Yeah, we're gonna go that side. Doon tayo sa kabila. Start na guys. Doon si Sak, doon sa side. Diyan. Oh, malubat na ako. And si Kuya doon. Backward and forward yung dalawa. Si Saksa. Is that forward? This is backward, right, Auntie Mel? Yeah, TJ is backward. That one. Is it backward, Auntie Mel?
I don't know yet.
Yeah, we don't know.
Standing.
So, basta, doon siya, doon si Sak. Ang gusto lagi ni Sak ay yung center, pero hindi siya sa center this time. Mamaya siguro. Tum daw siya. Meron akong dalang Missy Monkey. Strawberry. Ah, this is the forward line. Forward daw si Kuya. Backward doon.
Oh, no.
No?
No, it's a back one now. They just swapped around there.
Ah, okay. Back,
Mom, I'm hungry.
forward. Okay, okay. That one. Ah, I have...
Railway.
No, this one. Shapes. Yung ano to,
I want
yung...
railway.
No, that's not food, Baba. That's for later.
I'm not hungry anymore.
Maganda yung laro. Pareho sila wala pang points. Kasi ang galing nila mag-tackle. Si Sak tsaka si Kuya pala, pareho sila nandito. And TJ. Ayan si Kuya. Good job, Kuya.
What?
Go. Where's Sak? Okay, go. Kick. Oh. Doon.
The butterfly.
Why is he limping?
Oh, Kuya.
TJ. Don't tell me he's gonna be like his friend.
Miss natin yun. Naka-goal si Kuya. Ang galing. Na-goal siya. Sana wag umulan. Nag-drizzle na konti. Nag-change na sila guys. Dito naman sila mag-kick dito sa side. And si Sak sa center na siya. Yan ang gusto lagi ni Sak na lagi siyang nasa center. Where's TJ? Kuya TJ? Asan si Kuya? Doon ata si Kuya or center din? Hindi pa namin makita.
Oh yeah, see that changing his shirt over now? Because he's playing for...
Nasa center din. Pareho sila ni
Look
Sak.
when I stretch it. Look, feel it when I stretch it.
Ayan.
Push your finger.
Hanggang dyan lang tayo guys. Hindi ko na siya
Ew.
G7X yung gamit ko. Oh, good job, Sak! Oh, now he's limping. You're right, Saki boy.
Suck it up, Zaki. See?
Dance around all my questions. Feel you slipping from my hands. Got me falling to pieces. Can't you say something easy? At night it's a big room. On the days you don't come to, make plans I could see through. Doesn't matter cause I know you. Doesn't matter cause I know you. Never said that I'm sorry. Never needed apologies. Keep me one step away. Leave your keys in the gate. Drive the beach roads all night. Get a lease on what's right. Never thought it'd be a cold sell. Doesn't matter cause I know you.
Where's Dad? Again?
Over there.
Over
See, he's got the yellow football.
Oh, good job! Is that TJ?
Yep.
Good job, Kuya.
I can't see that he has a yellow.
Good,
I
okay,
see
Kuya.
it through there.
Mark, good
Oh,
job,
yeah,
good
I see
job.
it.
Oh.
He's very great.
Doon pa rin pala ang goal nila doon.
I
Nag-change lang ng ano,
And he's holding the
pwesto.
yellow football.
Pero doon pa rin sila magkikik.
Oh yeah, I see him.
Doon.
I see him.
Nalulubat
And
ako.
he's trying to kick it. No, he's not. Look. Honey, go. Oh, you can say closer. Mom, you can say closer.
I know. Oh.
Get that too.
Go, Kuya. Mark, good job.
Where do you need to go?
Good job.
What do you need to go there for?
Ay, naku, Holly.
You'll have to do a
Oh, good job. That's a good market. Good job. Nag-change na sila ng pwesto. Andun na si Kuya, tsaka si Sa. Andun na sila sa forward. Tapos na, guys. Hindi tayo masyadong nakapag-film, pero I think nanalo sila. Oh, di ba? Masaya sila, oh. They won, Mel.
Yeah.
Who won?
Kuya TJ and
Zach.
Kuya Zach. Kakain na siya ng persimmon. It's hard, but it's sweet. I like it hard, but
It tastes like
what?
tomato.
Ako. Mas gusto. Which one you like? This one or the soft one?
The soft one.
Mas gusto niyo yung... Ako gusto ko naman tong hard. Matamis siya kahit hard. Gusto ko siya kasi crunchy. Pero para sa kanya, mas gusto niya soft. Nalobat pala ako. Nag-change ako. What did you say about that? It tastes like?
Tomato.
Ito na si Sak.
Good job, Ducky.
What's wrong, Zach?
Yeah. That's inside Adelaide.
Good job. Oh, thanks, Auntie Mel. Oh, got lollies from Auntie Mel. Oh, Kuya. Are you the player of the week? Yeah, player of the week si Kuya. Naka-goal si Kuya. Zach, did you get goal? What you gonna say to Auntie Mel?
He's trying to go. We don't know too much winning.
Kids.
God just went that good me.
TJ, Zach, did you say thanks to Auntie Mel?
Yeah. Thank you. Thanks.
I'm
joking. Go Jacob.
Hina naman nila, syempre. Yeah, it's normal. Basa yung socks. Freezing. Hurry up, Zach. And sila, punta sila ng Adelaide. Say see you, Daddy.
Daddy's gonna miss you dancing.
Yeah.
We did something right now.
Kuya, see you. Good luck. I love you too. Good luck.
I'm not gonna wear
Alis na sila. Say see you, Kuya. Say good luck to Kuya.
Good luck, Paige. You right? Zach, you want me to undo it?
Kanina pa to si Sak. See you. See you. Love you too.
Wait, what about
Come on. That's TJ. Ito hindi to pwedeng dalhin ni Kuya kasi hindi siya sa buong McDonald's. Dito lang to sa Mount Gambier, Portland, at saka Naracot. So, dalhin natin
Get in
yun.
this plate.
Did you get gold, Zach?
Nope.
Nah.
I could have, but if I kick my checks going higher.
Yes. How many gold TJ got? One. You got points?
You only have to
You got points?
Yes.
Yes.
What's that? You only have to have your.
So, Baba, put your seatbelt now, please.
Ooh.
Oh, yeah. Thanks, Auntie Mel. You say thank you to Auntie Mel?
Yeah.
Yeah. Swerte nila kay
I'm
Tita
not
Mel.
gonna open my
Okay, alis na kami, guys. Bye, Kuya! Nagbibihis na si Kuya ng panggo. Bahay na kami, guys. Na-drop off na namin si Auntie Mel. And yung aming lunch ay... Pailaw. Ilaw muna tayo. Ang aming lunch ay yung linuto ko sa Chona's Kitchen. Baka napanood yun na bago ko pa ito i-upload, guys. Ito, linuto ko ito kagabi. Ito yung shepherd's pie. And may tira pa. So, ito na lang yung lunch me. And, itutuloy ko na lang yung vlog namin. Itutuloy ko na lang yung vlog bukas. Kasi bukas, pero hindi ko rin alam kung makakapag-vlog doon. Pero mag-start ako ng vlog bukas. And, we'll see kung anong gagawin namin bukas after ng concert ni Holly. May dance concert si Holly. First time niya tong gagawin. And si Kylie, the drop off niya dito si Kobe para siyang mag-look after kay Zach. Then kami ni Kylie, kasi si Sophie din mayroon din siyang concert, same as Solly, pero iba nga lang siya iba siyang tawag na ibang group. So yun ang ganap namin bukas. So ngayon kasi ang gagawin ko lang naman ay maglalaba. Dito malinis na sa kitchen, malinis ang kitchen. Ang gagawin ko ay maglalaba and maglinis. Oh, yung kalat ng batang yan. Hoy. Tapos maglalaba ako, guys. So, yun lang. So, bukas na lang ulit, okay? Thank you. See you tomorrow. Say, see you tomorrow. Ito, maliligo to. Say, see you tomorrow. Hoy.
Yeah, tomorrow.
Baba, say, see you tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
What you gonna do tomorrow? Concert.
Concert.
Yes. So, see you guys.
Just tell me who you see, 'cause I think I do when you're next to me.